I'm filming an intro.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay. Later. So, my hair looks really good at this angle, but welcome back to
doesn't look good at any
welcome
angle.
back to my channel. This is gonna be my thing now. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're not new, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I'm sitting on a bench, somewhere in Sydney, Australia.
No, Sydney, Canada.
Sydney, Canada. It's not as cool, I know. But there's a fresh fish market, that was hard to say, right over there. And I'm just having a real good time watching these seagulls.
Watch,
It's
this
very,
is the view.
it's very
Show the
ugly
view.
here. Isn't that ugly?
You're ugly.
Oh man, I wish it could actually be pretty here, then it would be more enjoyable.
Q&A.
Oh yes, Q&A.
We have a lot of questions to answer.
What's your name? So my name's Katie.
You have to say it in a different voice.
Oh my god, people. Whoa, 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 it almost fell. So, back to what I was saying. I don't know what I was saying.
What's your name?
What's my name? My name is...
Your name is Elizabeth Quaderno.
My name is... My name is... Okay, sorry for that interruption, but to stop, my name... Okay, sorry. I'm gonna pee.
I'll take the vlog for
No, it's okay. Sorry for that interruption again. I accidentally hit stop again. So this is try number 3. Like I said, we're in Sydney, Australia today. Aye, mate, can you tell? We're having a really cute day. I'll see you later. Here in the beautiful city of Sydney, I'm here with a real live Australian.
Aye, mate.
Sorry for the short interruption. So now we're walking to the edge of the pier. No, this is like I don't know what the fuck, what this is. Sorry, I don't curse on that channel. So I'll show you the view. How do you turn the camera around? Oh, you can't. Okay, well, just take my word for it. It's a pretty view.
Don't do that. Can you take your foot off?
Oh, even greater view right here.
Your foot is gonna
Oh,
fall
here, I'll
out.
just show you. Doesn't it look so good? I know it does. Okay. Oh, there's people in the restaurant. That's great. They can see me vlogging. So, see you in a little bit. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I swear. Just dump it out, silly.
Katie, watch out! I want to do the wave thing again.
So, I would just like everyone to know that I finally found a seal. You may have already seen the clip. It may be next, I'm not sure. Haven't edited this, don't even know how to edit. So, it'll probably be somewhere in this video, but I just fed a seal. multiple seals, like 5 seals, and we got to feed it raw fish, which is absolutely disgusting. I should probably burn my fingers off now, but the seals were cute. They were adorable. They were the only reason I came to Australia, and I'm so glad I got to see them. And there's people watching me right now, so I'm gonna leave. Bye.
Are you getting it?
No, wait. Yeah, go.
Oh, I didn't miss it.
Is that on me? Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, so we're just doing a little photo shoot around the city. We're having a lot of fun, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're having so much fun, and it's almost dinner time, which is gonna be so much funner. And I can't wait to go eat a burger. But yeah, just a quick update on my life. See you later. Right, okay, welcome back to my vlogs. Okay, so we just had dinner. And so now we're back to our photo shoot because, you know, photographers and stuff. So I'm gonna show you this really pretty, it's like a palace with a green waterfall.
Get on my picture.
See, that's a green waterfall, and look at this palace.
It's not a waterfall, it's a fountain.
I meant fountain, but look at this palace. It's very lighty, and so we're gonna go up to the waterfall now, water fountain now, and oh, the lawns are closed, so don't step on those. But if you ever come here, so now we're going to the fountain. It's called, see it? Wow. So it's called the Fountain of Youth. You throw money in there and you lose 2 wrinkles per coin. So everyone should come here. Okay, see you later.